Good day to all my happy campers with this beautiful brand new 2025 Venture RV Sonic 150 RB, the rear bath, power awning, excellent storage throughout, fore and aft on the 150 with Asdel in the walls and a curb weight under 3,500 pounds, cargo capacity, and more. Ted's Happy Camping Facebook page, where I posted a whole bunch of pictures in addition to this video. Got the Murphy bed option and completely transportable table, smart TV, a little bit more than one hand operation on the Murphy bed. Nice countertops, 2-burner stove, microwave oven, storage abounding, Bluetooth speaker holding, the USB chargers, tankless water heater, vanity, mirrored, closet, nice sized closet in the bath, and glass shower doors, and the neo-angle corner shower. Very well equipped from Venture RV. You can reach me at 713-443-0670, because as always, happy camping.